The tongue is so dirty! Scrape it clean first. Blow away bad smell and freshen your breath. Let's look for the bad teeth. The teeth with cavities are found. You are awesome! More cavities are found. There are 3 teeth with cavities. Tooth extraction is needed. Extract the decayed teeth first. Put the decayed teeth on the plate. Put the decayed teeth on the plate. Apply anti-inflammatory ointment. Implant the false root. Scan the false root to make a tooth of appropriate shape. Connect stars to print a suitable false tooth. Apply the false tooth in the right place. Treatment is complete. Spit out the foams when you rinse your mouth. Check the teeth. Drag the machine and aim at the stars to take a picture of the teeth. The teeth are all crooked. Corrective treatment with braces is needed. Cleaning gels can make teeth smoother. Clean away the dirty gel. Put the brackets in the right place. Attach wire to the teeth. Straighten the wire and your teeth will become even. Straighten the wire and your teeth will become even. Put the rubber band in the right place. finished. Put on braces and the teeth will be in perfect alignment after a while. Ouch! My teeth hurt badly. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. Put on mouth gag and check the gums. The gums are a bit swollen. Anti-inflammatory treatment is needed. Apply potion to wounds and swelling. The machine to check your teeth. 2 decayed teeth are found. These 2 decayed teeth have small cavities. Dental filling treatment is needed. Dig out the black cavities first. There are a lot of bacteria coming from the cavities. Get rid of them quickly. Clean your teeth with water. The cavities are all cleaned up. Fill the cavities with fillings. Make the fillings hard with glue ray. Now polish the teeth. Eliminate swelling with potion gun. Remember to rinse your mouth after meals and brush your teeth carefully so you will not have dental calculus or cavities. You're great! Here's a badge of magical potion for you.